Here's a classic Chevy, 1959 Chevrolet Apache, 32. You can check out the badging on it. Basically got 32 or 3200 would be a half-ton long box. And as you can see, this one would be in a Fleetside. Now, this particular truck is actually a Los Angeles, California built truck. It was also originally Cardinal Red when it would have left the factory back in 1959. So still similar to the original color. Of course, the paint does show its age. It is a little bit chalky on it. This is one of those trucks you want to kind of drive it the way it is more of a classic look, or put a little TLC, take it to the next level. 59 is definitely a popular body style, no doubt about that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, engine bay underneath the body of it, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the still pictures. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Underneath the hood, 327 V8 powered. That is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Also has power brakes, and it appears it has a new booster and master cylinder in it. Now you can see there's a little dinger up here in the front, and you're going to have some of those on this. And again, paint shows its age, but if you look around those wheel wells, it's not popping, it's not full of holes. Down the bottoms of the doors, and you can see the bottoms of the doors underneath the doors in the still pictures, even cab corners. Looks like there may have been a little bit of work, but again, not bad. Kind of go down along it here the rest of the way up around the rear wheel wells. You know, lots of times that's where you're going to see them bubbling, flaking, holes. This one looks like it's kind of got a good start to it. Someone's put a sliding rear window in it. Still has the wood bed in it, and of course some spots where they've touched up with primer can inhibit that rust. And again, it just needs to be taken to the next level, or drive it the way it is. Have some fun with the classic look of this 59. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, it has had a fuel system, fuel tank relocated to the rear, so I would have your rear fill right there. Of course, that's getting it out from behind the driver and passenger seats. You can take a look up and down this truck too, pretty darn straight. Again, just old paint on it. Once again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, and down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Come around to this side, kind of show you the same thing I did on the other, above the wheel wells. A little bit again. You can see there's a little bit of the rust, what have you. It's been worked in the cab corners, but other than that, looks pretty good. I mean, some people like to drive one that with the patina that this one has. Other people want to take to the next level. It's kind of your choice. But again, nice 1959 Apache 3200. Check out the interior. Down here was the code, so I know you had the Cardinal Red original paint, VIN plate. All that is original, and that coincides with what I stated this truck is as far as the 3200. See, somebody has put bucket seats in it. Fix the interior up some. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Still retains pretty much the stock dash that it would have came of. There is a working choke over here. That 327 has an Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock intake on it, FYI. And we'll check out underneath the hood too. Starter button, FYI, turn the ignition switch on, and then starter button is here. See how easily it starts. Somebody has added an upper console with speakers in it. Again, that'd be easy enough to take out if you wanted to. Put in a new interior in it. Oh, nice, that door closes. And again, the door fits nice and everything. Alright, slip around in the back. A little rumble coming out of that 327, nothing crazy. We're going to slip up here to the front, pop the hood, take a look at the engine bay, see how that engine runs. Alright, give me 1 second. I want to pop this hood, take both hands, so hang on 1 second. Alright, hood pop. FYI, grab the prop rod. It does not go with the vehicle. Make you aware of that. So here we have a 327. See, aluminum radiator's been added, electric fan. Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb. Like I said, power brakes. It looks like there's new master cylinder and booster. It runs nice. Pretty cool. Patinaed out 1959 Chevrolet Apache 3200, which would be a half-ton long box. This one in a Fleetside. Original Cardinal red truck. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the still pictures. Easiest way, click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.